Good morning, students. Today we will do question number 3 of exercise 10.3. In this question, if two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So it is given that AB is the common chord of two intersecting circles with centers O and P. We have to prove that AB is bisected at right angles by OP. For this we have done a construction. We have joined AO, BO, PB, PA and also let OP intersect AB at M. Now for proving we have taken two triangles OAP and triangle OBP. These two triangles OAP and triangle OBP. Now in these two triangles OA equals to OB, radii of the circle, PA equals to PB, again radii, and OP equals to OP common. Therefore the two triangles are congruent by SSS congruency rule. Now if the two triangles are congruent, then angle AOP, this angle AOP, this angle equals to angle BOP by CP/CT. In place of angle AOP, we can also write angle AOM equals to angle BOM. Now in triangle AOM and triangle BOM, OA equals to OB. Angle AOM, this angle is equal to this angle from 1 and OM equals to OM common. Therefore the two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule. Therefore AM equals to BM. Now by CP/CT and also angle AMO, that is this angle, is equal to this angle by CP/CT. But what do we find? That angle AMO plus angle BMO equals to 180 degree linear pair. Therefore, and also we have proved that this angle is equal to this angle. So this angle AMO or angle BMO equals to 90 degree. Therefore OP is perpendicular to AB. Now let's do theorem 6. According to theorem 6, equal chords of a circle or of congruent circles are equidistant from the center or centers. So it is given that AB and CD are the two equal chords of the circle with center O. OL is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to CD. We have to prove that OL equals to OM, that is equal chords are at equidistance from the center. For this join OB and OD. Now we know that the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord of a circle bisects the chord. Therefore AL equals to BL and CM equals to DM. Now we can write down BL equals to half AB because OL is bisecting AB. In the same way we can write down DM equals to half CD. And what is given already, that AB equals to CD. So half AB will be equal to half CD or BL will be equal to DM. Now in right triangle OLB and OMD, hypotenuse OB equals to hypotenuse OD. Why? They are radii of the circle. Then BL equals to DM, we have just proved. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by RHS congruency rule. Therefore, OL equals to OM by CP/CT. Thus, equal chords are at equal distance from the center of the circle. Hence, proved. Now, let us do theorem 7. Chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. This is just the converse of theorem 6. So what is given? That AB and CD are the two equal chords and OL equals to OM. This is given. Sorry, it is given that AB and CD are chords. It is not given that they are equal. We have to prove that they are equal. It is given that OL and OM is equal, means the chords are at equal distance from the center. OL is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to CD. So for this we have done a construction. We have joined OB and OD. Now since the perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord and OL is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to CD, therefore AL equals to BL and CM equals to DM. Okay. Now We can write down BL as equal to half AB and DM equals to half CD. Now in triangles OLB and OMD, OL equals to OM given, then OB equals to OD, radii of the circle. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by RHS congruency rule. Therefore, BL equals to DM. Now, what is BL and DM equal to? We have seen that BL is equal to half AB and DM is equal to half CD. So, in place of BL and DM, we can write down half AB equals to half CD or AB equals to CD. Hence, proved.